So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel and have not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on that subscribe button, like and share. So if you have been following this channel consistently, I told you guys clearly that Euro GBP is in bearish move this movement, which is a lower low, and markets did exactly what we to do, right? The when markets eventually give us this lower low, I also told you guys clearly that EURGBP will give us a pullback, and this is exactly what markets give us back. So this this is very our confirmation was absolutely right. Our prediction on absolutely right. First, we predicted a sell on GBP, which markets did that. Then I also told you guys clearly that you pullback market has done that now. So our next movement on EURGBP that drop, which is a sell. So guys, we will be anticipating for another sell on GBP. Now take a look at it. Why we will be anticipating for this sell? Now when you take a look at this movement here, if this is your low on your Euro GBP, here is the lower high, here comes the lower low. This is the lower high, and here comes the lower low, right? This is your lower high, and here comes the lower low right here. So with this lower low, we've seen a lower high right here. You can see the market has now given us a lower high right? So with this lower high, we should be anticipating for another lower low. So guys, bearish move is what we will be expecting next on GBP. So guys, the bearish move is what we should be anticipating for next on Euro GBP. Could there be any changes to this movement that we just predicted? Absolutely yes. Changes to this movement. But if there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. Link to the Telegram in the comment section.